Ever wondered how to safeguard those crucial Microsoft Teams conversations? Let's dive into exporting your chat history. First, ensure you have the Microsoft Teams desktop application installed and are signed in. While you can access chats on the web, exporting is primarily done from the desktop client. Navigate to the chat section on the left-hand side of your Teams window. This is where all your one-on-one and group conversations reside. Open the specific chat conversation you wish to export. You'll need to do this for each chat you want to save. Now, look at the top of the chat window, usually where the participants' names or the group name is displayed. Find and click on the profile picture or icon of one of the users in the conversation. A small menu will often appear in this menu. You are looking for an option that allows you to get chat history or something similar. This might be under a More Options or Ellipsis menu. Click on that option. Teams will then process your request to export this specific chat. You might see a confirmation that your history is being prepared. Within a short period, you'll receive an email from Microsoft Teams. This email will contain a link to download your exported chat history. Clicking this link will take you to a download page where you can retrieve your chat data, typically as a zip file. Once downloaded, extract the zip file. Inside, you'll find your chat history, often in a CSV format, which can be easily opened with spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. This structured format makes it incredibly easy to archive, review, or analyze your important Teams conversations for compliance, record keeping, or any other need. Keep those valuable conversations safe.